Welcome to Global Eats Uncovered. Hey there, food enthusiasts. Welcome back to Global Eats Uncovered, where we explore the rich tapestry of food that defines cultures around the globe. Whether you're a lifelong vegetarian or someone looking to add more plant-based meals to your diet, you're in the right place. In today's episode, we're diving into a topic that truly proves that vegetarian cuisine isn't just a trend, it's a centuries-old tradition across many cultures. From hearty stews in Africa to light, flavorful dishes in the Middle East, vegetarian food is celebrated globally for its vibrant flavors and nutrient-packed ingredients. Get ready for an exciting food adventure as we uncover the best vegetarian meals from different cultures, showcasing the diversity of plant-based eating around the world. Let's dig in. 1. India chole bhatur, a hearty North Indian delight. Why chole bhatur is a must-try. One of the most iconic vegetarian dishes in India, chole bhatur is a delicious combination of spiced chickpeas chole, served with fluffy deep-fried bread. Bhatur. This dish is a staple in the Punjab region and is often enjoyed as a hearty breakfast or lunch. What makes it unique? The chickpeas are slow-cooked in a fragrant mix of spices, including cumin, coriander, garam masala, and amchur, giving them a deep, warming flavor. The bhatur is crispy on the outside but soft and airy on the inside, providing the perfect accompaniment. It's often served with a side of tangy pickle, cooling yogurt, or a refreshing salad. Where to try it? For an authentic experience, head to Amritsar Ucha in Amritsar or any local street vendor in Delhi. 2. Italy risotto primavera, a creamy vegetable-laden rice dish. Why risotto primavera is a vegetarian classic. Risotto is one of Italy's most beloved dishes, and the vegetarian version, risotto primavera, showcases the best seasonal vegetables. This creamy, flavorful rice dish is made with arborio rice, fresh vegetables, and a splash of white wine, creating a heavenly combination of flavors. What makes it special? The rice is slow-cooked in a rich vegetable broth, absorbing all the flavors. Fresh, colorful vegetables like zucchini, bell peppers, peas, and asparagus are stirred in, giving the dish its name Primavera Spring. A finish of Parmesan cheese and a drizzle of olive oil bring the whole dish together with richness and depth. Where to try it? For the best risotto primavera, head to Trattoria Monti in Rome, or explore local markets in Florence where seasonal vegetables shine in traditional Italian dishes. 3. Thailand green curry with tofu, a fragrant Thai favorite. Why green curry with tofu is loved around the world? Thai cuisine is known for its balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy flavors, and green curry with tofu is a prime example. The dish is made with fragrant green curry paste, coconut milk, and tofu, creating a creamy, rich, and aromatic sauce that pairs perfectly with jasmine rice. What makes it stand out? The green curry paste is made from fresh ingredients like chilies, lemongrass, kaffir, lime leaves, garlic, and galangal, creating a spicy, fragrant base. The tofu soaks up the sauce, providing a delicate texture that balances the heat. Vegetables like eggplant, bamboo shoots, and bell peppers add color and crunch. Where to try it? You'll find the best green curry with tofu at street vendors and restaurants in Bangkok, especially in the Chinatown or Sukhumvit districts. For Lebanon, falafel, the legendary Middle Eastern snack, the universal appeal of falafel. Falafel is perhaps the most famous Middle Eastern street food worldwide, made from ground chickpeas or fava beans, onions, garlic, and herbs, shaped into small balls and deep-fried to perfection. Served in pita bread with tahini, pickles, and fresh vegetables, falafel is loved by people of all ages and backgrounds. What makes falafel irresistible? The crispy exterior contrasts with the soft, flavorful center. The combination of parsley, cumin, coriander, and garlic creates an aromatic, earthy taste. It's protein-packed, making it a satisfying meal or snack. Where to try it? Head to Beirut's Gemeza or Mar Mikhail districts, where small falafel shops offer freshly made falafel stuffed in warm pita bread. 5. Mexico vegetarian tacos, the heart of Mexican street food. Why Mexican tacos are the perfect vegetarian meal. Tacos are a cornerstone of Mexican cuisine, and vegetarian options like grilled veggies, mushrooms, or spiced beans make for some of the most delicious and filling taco fillings. What makes them so special? Soft, warm corn tortillas form the base for any taco with charred veggies or mushrooms as a centerpiece. Toppings like salsa, cilantro, lime, and onions bring freshness and zing to every bite. Vegetarian tacos are often served with refried beans, guacamole, and pickled radishes, making for a perfect meal. Where to try it? For the best vegetarian tacos, head to Mexico City's La Vega market or try the vegetarian taco carts around Oaxaca. 6. Ethiopia shiro wat, a hearty, spiced chickpea stew. Why shiro wat is a flavorful vegetarian stew. Shirawat is a rich, spicy chickpea stew cooked with Berber spices, garlic, onions, and tomatoes. It is traditionally served with injera, a spongy sourdough flatbread, and is a key vegetarian dish in Ethiopian cuisine. What makes shirawat so delicious? The Berber spice mix, which includes chili peppers, cumin, and coriander, adds a complex heat and depth to the stew. Chickpeas give the stew a creamy texture and a hearty feel. Injera soaks up the stew, allowing you to enjoy every flavorful bite with your hands. Where to try it? Visit Addis Ababa or any Ethiopian restaurant in Washington, D.C. for an authentic shirawat experience. 7. Greece, spanakopita, the flaky spinach pie. Why spanakopita is a classic Greek vegetarian dish. Spanakopita is a delicate, flaky pastry filled with spinach, feta cheese, onions, and fresh herbs. This savory pie is a staple in Greek cuisine and can be found in nearly every cafe, bakery, and street food vendor in Greece. What makes spanakopita so irresistible? The layers of crispy phyllo dough add an irresistible crunch. Spinach and feta complement each other perfectly, creating a creamy and slightly tangy filling. Herbs like dill and parsley provide fresh herbal notes that make every bite a delight. Where to try it? You'll find the best spanakopita in Athens' Plaka neighborhood or in Santorini, where local bakeries serve this delicious snack. 8. Indonesia gado-gado, the Indonesian salad with peanut sauce. Why gado-gado is a mustrai dish? Gado-gado is an Indonesian salad that combines blanched vegetables, tofu, tempeh, boiled eggs, and crispy crackers, all drizzled with a rich peanut sauce. What makes gado-gado stand out? The peanut sauce is made from roasted peanuts, garlic, chilies, and sweet soy sauce, giving it a creamy and savory flavor. The combination of cooked and raw vegetables creates a variety of textures, from tender to crunchy. Tofu and tempeh provide an excellent plant-based protein boost. Where to try it? Find the best gado-gado in Jakarta's traditional markets or from local street vendors in Bali. Vegetarian meals have found their way into the hearts of people across cultures, offering a beautiful diversity of flavors, textures, and ingredients. From the spicy stews of Ethiopia to the crisp falafel of Lebanon, plant-based dishes are full of tradition, comfort, and innovation. Which vegetarian dish are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious culinary adventures on Global Eats Uncovered.